All right, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. We have Amy helping with locks that get sticky or stuck. Okay, Amy, what do you got there?
Especially when it rains, the keys get stuck. You can't even open it or get it in there. See, I can't get in. And then if I get it in, I can't get the keys out. So in essence, you're pretty much locked out of your own house. So this simple lock keys liquid, it's a graphite. So it makes it easier for your key to go in and out, and I'll show you. Don't use WD-40. WD-40 just makes it all gummy in there, and so it collects dust and dirt, and then pretty soon you will need to replace your lock. So rather than pay someone several $100s to replace a key or a locksmith to try and fix it, this simple little liquid thing you spray in a couple times. Hands dirty because ew, I can wash it. See, now it goes in easier. Perfect. All the time.
Like butter.
Yep. Now you don't have to feel like you're locked in and your keys go in and out. And that usually happens mainly when it's raining. So in California, it hardly rains, but for some reason we have torrential rains the last few days, and that's kind of clogging all our luck. So anyway, lock keys. Liquid graphite.
We will include a link. You can get it on Amazon.
Yep. Check our little description down below on our video, and you too can save $100-something. All right, make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe at our ladiesofjusticeleague.com /YouTube channel. All right, stay tuned for more.